Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change screen refresh rate in Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So it's really easy. If you are going to change the refresh rate, simply you have to go towards settings and then click on display and brightness. Here you will see the option. After scrolling down, you will see the option screen refresh rate. Simply click here, and here you will see the option 12 Hz, 120 Hz, ultra high refresh rate, ultimate visual experience. So you have to click here. Okay, so in this way you can change screen refresh rate. A higher refresh rate makes for smoother animation but may reduce battery life. Some apps may not support 120 Hz display. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.